Oh, I love this filter. It makes me look presentable. Very demure. Very demure. Very mindful. Very considerate. Very cutesy. Joja! Come here, Joja! My fat cat. Kaya pala maganda. May kasama ng pilik mata yung filter. Hi, guys. Hi, Doja. Come here, Joja. Come here, Joja. Come. Ayaw mo naman.
Okay,
Hi, Doja Berry.
Can
Hello. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. This is my cat. Doja. Say hi, Doja. Nico! Chapel Roan. I love Chapel Roan. Yes, Joja, I know. I love you. Ow! She bit me!
Tingin? Doja.
Ayun o, yung ngipin niyo.
Doja.
Baliw talaga to. Nagpapalambing.
Bad cat.
Baliw.
Bad cat. Bad cat.
Am I the only one who has a crazy cat? My cat wants me to touch her, but when I touch her, she bites me. Jesus. Pwede ba magtanggal ng Hi, Wednesday Adams, ha? Da-da-da-dun. How can you remove can you remove the filter or no? I was just playing. Hey! Oh, there you are. Pumangit bigla. Ibalik ang filter. Uy! This is kind of scary. Like, I look like Annabelle. Kind of scary. Nakakatawa naman to. Ano to? Sorry, I'm playing with filters. Hey. Where is my soulmate? Okay, can we play? Never mind.
No, it's not. Only if you're doing it as a video.
What are these filters?
What time is Disneyland close?
Probably around 9. Never mind. Wait tayo mag-filter. It's not giving. Hello! Wala lang. Hi lang. Tapos mag-end live na rin agad. Is Kumu still a thing?
I don't know.
That's what I kind of miss.
8:30 p.m. Okay.
Yung butterfly. What butterfly? I wanna fly.
We're supposed to know.
If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. I wanna hold you just for a while. Shiminette. Bawal pala kumanta dito, no? Bawal. You can't,
Really?
no
Live?
music.
IG Live? Like even like instruments and stuff?
I'm not sure about instruments.
But like copyright music you can. Okay.
Like one time they just banned my live.
Weird.
Mommy July, I miss doing your hair. Pakita ka naman kasi. Mommy July naman eh. Baka naman, magpakita ka na ulit. Busy ka kasi. Narinig nyo na new version ng Palagi? Yes, kanina lang. Ganda.
It's really nice.
If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over. What's the lyrics?
No, it's our time on earth was through, I think. Yeah.
If
that's
the
right.
party was over,
And our time
and our
on
time.
earth was through.
our time on earth is through. Walang audio. Tinanggal na naman siguro nila kasi kumakanta ako. I wanna hold you just for a while. Show the way. I'm coming right for me. I hear the walls repeat, the drumming of our feet, and it sounds like drumming. Yahoo!
Yahoo!
And if it's good, refer it to me.
Exactly.
Patingin naman kay KD. Patingin daw. Tingin lang. O, tama na. Char. Tingin lang.
Tingin lang.
Tingin lang. You can look, but you can't touch. Char.
Sorry guys,
How to cash in apps? What? I wish I knew.
cash in apps in a game for a game daw.
Ako pa talaga tinanong. Hindi naman ako nag-games na ganyan.
How to cash in apps
Madam, my only game is good pizza,
I don't
great
know.
pizza.
in a game.
Hey!
Oh, I
Whoa! It's giving...
I don't know what happened.
Slay. If my nose was thinner. No, it's not nice. Sometimes I wish my nose was smaller and I had bigger lips. And then I try filters like that. And then I realize, kaya pala ganito yung mukha ko. Ito na yun. Ito na yung bagay talaga. Ganito tayo na ibang filter. If the party was sober, and our time on earth.
Oh, why zoom in? How did you do that?
No, because it's...
Oh, you can do that para.
Zoom in? Yeah.
You can zoom in.
Because I'm looking at the filter. This is too white. Oh, this is so cute. Mga ka-video call ko, mga anak ko.
Oh, kamusta?
Lenny, talk, and Ming Ming too. We're
Kamusta?
the Wonder Pets and we'll help you.
Okay.
These
I'll use
filters
this.
look so ugly on me. What is happening?
I'll use this for airport transfer.
You, wait. Wait lang. Don't book yet.
I'm not booking yet naman. I'm waiting for our tickets.
What are these filters? Maganda to. Nakakapayat.
Do you need
Wait, tell me
food
more.
vouchers when we go there when we go on the island for long? Like when we land on the island for after the cable car thing, do you want food
Food
vouchers?
vouchers? What's
Like,
that?
cause when you land, there's like after the cable car thing, there's like food. Right?
Why do we need vouchers? Can't we pay with money?
Yeah, okay.
Whoa.
Just for a while. Isang calculation na cancellation. I need cancellations.
Ayan, mukhang normal naman tong filter na to. Ito na yan. Will I see you in PBB later? No, tomorrow. I'll be there tomorrow. Dun, 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 dun. Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. Hi, Doja.
60 plus.
Live update ka po, Messenger. Sa Messenger. May live ba sa Messenger? Ba't parang nakaka-pangit pa ng filter? Sorry. Ah! Cute. Never mind. No filter na lang. Kasama ba si KD sa Hong Kong trip? Of course! I just woke up from a dream. And then, what's the lyrics?
Where you and I had to say goodbye.
Wow, you memorized it already.
Yes.
Well, you and I had to say goodbye. If the world do you picture me like I picture you? Am I afraid from your point of view? Do you feel the same? I'm too scared to say how far things I do when I picture you. When I picture you.
I can't book. Ano ba yan? I can't book like Crystal Plus. So the thing is here, like, if there's this thing called Crystal Plus cabin, where the cabin is, you can see it like everywhere. Like it's gonna be fully crystal. There's no like blockage or anything. But you have to choose on which way,
Okay.
because you can't choose like going there and going back is crystal. You have to choose which way you want it.
I'll think about it.
See, it's one way round through the window. One way crystal from Tungchung, then one way standard, or one way crystal from Tungchung. Hindi, one way crystal from Ngongping, then standard from crystal.
Okay. Party, 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 party. I feel the apples run. Okay, that's it. I just wanted to say hi to everyone. Wala lang. Walang katuturan talaga.
I get that.
Trip ko lang. You can drink from mine.
Oh, okay.
Look at my water jug, guys. It's so pretty. It's from Aqua Flask. It's the Sakura collection. I love this.
Thank you, Aqua Flask.
I bought this.
Oh.
I bought this. They didn't give it to me. I bought that. Where you go, that's where I follow. Like it's the last time If the world do you guys listen to Chapel Roan? May naiwan na naman na book sa likod. I woke up alone staring at my ceiling. I try not to care, but it hurts my feelings. You don't have to stare. Come here, get with it. Baby, don't you like this beat? I made it so you sleep with me. It's like 199 degrees when you do it with me, do it with me. HOTTOGO, snap and clap and touch your toes. Raise your hands, now body roll, dance it out, you're hot to go. HOTTOGO, you can take me out to go. What's it take to get your number? What's it take to bring you home? Order up, I'm hot to go.
Okay, so Australian Dairy Queen. You know Australian Dairy Queen?
Nar.
You wanna
That
see?
was Australian. Nar.
Nar.
Hi everyone. I'm also going to end this live now. Namamansin ba to? Yes, surprise. So I hope you guys have eaten your dinner. If not, it's time to eat your dinner. And we will eat our dinner too. But first, magsasaing muna ako ng shirataki rice. Hindi pala saing, sorry. Magluluto lang ako ng shirataki rice. She's smiling like she used to smile.
Like, how okay are you with walking?
I'm very okay.
Okay.
How okay are you with dealing with my complaints?
I don't mind.
My yapping.
It's a part of it. It's a part of the fun.
Because I will not sacrifice the outfit for the walk.
Okay.
Bye. Hold on. I'm going to finish this braid and then I'm going to really say goodbye. Heard you're back together. And if that's true, you're still gonna taste me when he's kissing you. How was Zootopia Animal Wellness Center? They're awesome. They're great. They have such good service. And I really said, if something happens to my kids and they need hospitalization, I'm bringing them there. Wake up 6 a.m.
Kasi can you do that?
Let's see.
Okay. Okay, 7. Wake up 7.
Goodbye.
Bye guys.
Goodbye.
Sorry, di ako nagpakita. I'm doing some planning.
He's a busy bee.
I'm a busy guy.
We'll see you guys September 1 sa Jensen. Meron kaming show po dyan. Waiting for this magic moment in Pioneer Avenue. It's a Capamilya Caravan. Happy Tuna Festival. I'm so excited to eat tuna. I hope they feed us plenty tuna.
You're okay with the food here?
Wait, I'm gonna just finish this.
Okay.
Goodbye. Time to eat dinner.
Bye guys.